doing this, writing off against allowance. What do you mean by this? Last year, I found that Mr. Tom, he is not a good customer, so we made an allowance. We set an allowance, then specific allowance. So what was the double entry? I debited irrecoverable debts, and then I credited to allowances for receivable. When I do this, in this year, this let's say 2018 for example, in this year, what happened to my profit and loss account? Has it reflected by this? My profit has gone down because of this or not? It's going down. Now we are now moving to 2019. Now we are for sure know that this is the number one harami. Mr. Tom is the number one harami, no matter. Again, for sure we know. Then what we need to do? We need to write off. So what is the normal double entry for writing off? We studied there. This is double entry. So if you put this double entry here now, what I should do? Debit irrecoverable debts and credit both. Correct? No? This is what we are supposed to do. But if I do this, do you see that there is a duplication? I am now 2 times reflecting my profit and loss account because of this. Then is it correct? So it is not correct. So we cannot pass this entry. Instead, but see, now we understood this fellow will never pay. So now after doing this entry, that amount is still in my receivable or not? It is in the receivable, correct? So now I realize this man is not going to pay me. So is it correct to keep it in the receivable? No. So this and this okay. I need to credit. Now, once I remove the guy from the books totally, do you need to keep that amount in my allowance? No. So take it out from the allowance. So the double entry will be clear? So last year, as another term, we created an allowance. We thought, okay, this man mini lacking, we can still count on it. But this year, situation changed. We wanted to totally write off. But we cannot increase my expense because last year I have already increased my expense. So what you do is you do this.
First term it was recoverable debits.
Yeah.
يعني خلاص ما يجي. After it changed some doubt or what?
Yeah. هذا وقت أنا في doubt.
أيوه. First time.
أول مرة أنا في doubt हुआ. वो माती लकिन मिन्नी लग हावी चलता. So my entry was this. هذا मजबूत. Decreased my profit cost. But I never took out from the receivable. Still in the receivable books, that man's name is there. But now we realize, oh my goodness, this other number, Walla Harami Akbar Min. So we cannot keep him here. So what to do is we pass this. Clear? Now one more, last point in this topic. What do you mean by this? Let's say last year I thought this man is a number one harami, we write off. So I pass a double entry debit. This is first year. Irrecoverable debts. And then credit to trade. My journal entry took place in December. This man, for some emergency, went to his country on November. So phone is off and email no response, and we decided class for March. Next year, March, he came back to country, and then he still wanted to pay us. He brought the money and paid us. Now what are we going to do now? So this year, the second year, when you receive cash, where will you debit? You will debit to cash or book. This is collection. And then credit to other income. And then show it after sometimes you can also present deducting from the total irrecoverable debts. It's a matter of presentation. You show it there or here, no problem. But entry is this. Clear? With this topic is alright. Now let's try examples from the book. The video off.